Dymo Spool Assembly made in the USA by Central Sound. Get yours at centralsound.co. Enter promo code 20% off at checkout for a discount. First, remove the items from the packaging. This spool assembly is for the 4XL. Same process for the 400 series, 450, twin turbo, duo, and wireless. You screw one side onto the shaft. Screw it all the way down to the end. You slide the label roll onto the shaft. Then you screw the other side onto the shaft. Once completed, you screw the nut onto the shaft to secure it. Once assembled, place into your label printer. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you would like your spool assembly designed by Central Sound, made in the USA, come to centralsound.co, enter promo code 20% off at checkout.